Hi everyone, I'm Jen, one of the co-founders of Food Period, and today we're going to be making Food Period sunflower and sesame hummus with phase 2 moon seeds. I'm super excited to cover this recipe in general because hummus is so good for your health in so many ways. There's ingredients in it that help fight against inflammation in your body. There's also a high fiber content to promote a healthy digestion, and it's also known to help promote weight loss and maintain a healthy weight. So I can't wait for you to all give it a try and let us know how it goes. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, 1 garlic clove, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 large lemon juiced, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. First of all, what I'll do is I'll add the phase 2 moon seeds, which are already ground, into the food processor. Next, I'm going to squeeze a whole lemon into the food processor. What I'll do now is grind this for 30 seconds. Next, what I'll do is I'll add the remaining ingredients. So the chickpeas, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I already measured it. 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt, Himalayan pink salt, and 1 garlic clove. And now we'll just blend this for 2 minutes. And now it's done. You can enjoy this with some gluten-free chips. Thanks for tuning in.